Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G73 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So basically all we have to do is to first of all open the settings, so let's tap on it, and as you can see at the very top we've got a kind of hint from your device to set the system navigation. So actually your device wants you to use the gestures instead of the buttons. Of course you can tap on this option, but if for some reason your device did not display it, no worries. All you have to do is to simply scroll down just a little bit and under the notifications you will find the gestures. On the second position we've got the system navigation, and as you can see we've got two different options from which we can choose. Above them we've got kind of a preview and animation which will show how to use particular mode. So basically all we have to do in order to set the gestures is to tap on this option. But before we will do that, just a quick disclaimer, here we've got the settings. So as you can see they are assigned to the 3-button navigation, and after tapping on it you can customize them here. Unfortunately in this device you can only customize the hold home for assistant, so you can turn it on or off right here. Alright, so getting back to the gestures, let's tap on this option in order to actually set it. And as you can see, actually immediately, instead of the 3 buttons navigation, we've got this kind of a line which will be responsible for particular gestures. Of course, they are displayed right here in the animation, but no worries, I'll show you later on how they work. Again, you can customize this mode just by tapping on this settings icon. And here you've got much more options to customize, so you can swipe to invoke the assistant. It's up to you if you want to keep it turned on or off. You can change the back sensitivity, and I highly recommend to simply come back to this option after using the gestures for example a week or something like that. So you will know your device and you will know how the gestures work, and you can then decide if you want the back sensitivity to be smaller or larger, kind of higher. So it's up to you, and remember about this option. And right here we've got the navigation bar, so this line, and you can either show it or hide, and I really prefer to have it hidden, so let me pick this option. And alright, now I can show you how they actually work. So if you'd like to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device. Maybe not like that, just like that, until you will see this arrow. Now you can release the finger and you will simply come back to the previous page. And the same situation from the right side, so it works the same. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, then all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the bottom of your device, of the screen, to the center of it, and do it kind of fast, and the movement should be slow, just like that. And as you can see, we've got the home page, and in order to open the recents, you have to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center again, so the same motion, but this time do it kind of slowly and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing the finger here, we've got all previously opened apps. So basically that's all. This is how to set the gestures in your Motorola Moto G73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.